When collecting process data, it's important to understand that more is better. And collecting process data from all sources in the plant and not leaving anything out of your process, not just focusing on those elements which are critical to your quality, but really sort of expanding the scope of data collection and taking it all in is a critical element to being able to really improve your process and drive efficiencies in your process. What you don't want to do is gather that data together in a way that segregates it and silos it throughout your plant. So your DC tool data in one spot, your vision data in another spot, your leak test data in a third spot. Centralizing all of that data into a common repository so that anybody can have access to the data, anybody can become an instrument for improving the process overall is a very important aspect to moving forward with what is being sort of looked at as the next revolution in the manufacturing process. It's great for the people in the plant to have access to the data, but it's also great for people external to the situation to have access to the data so that anyone in your organization can help anyone in your organization solve a problem. Not relying on the knowledge set that is local to the problem, but truly expand the breadth of knowledge that you can tap into somewhere else in the organization to help you fix and solve that problem as fast as possible. The goal of collecting all of this data is not to store the data, it's to use the data and act upon the data in order to improve your process and drive efficiencies within your process. And Symetric has an incredible product mix to help you do that, and a lot of real-world expertise to help you figure out what data should be collected and what to do with that data once you've collected it. Symetric's data acquisition system, the SIGPOD, allows you to collect digital process signatures for a wide array of your manufacturing processes. QualityWorks, our data management system, allows you to take those digital process signatures as well as any other manufacturing process data that you create on your line and coalesce it into a common repository that can then be peered into by our studio and dashboard reporting and analytics tools to segregate, slice up, and analyze that data any way that you desire.